Hey there, I'm Mar. Welcome to Be Skilled Channel. If you've ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but didn't know where to begin, this video is for you. Whether you're completely new to YouTube or just want to do things the right way from day one, we're going to walk through everything, from creating your account to setting up your channel like a pro, all with the latest updates for 2025. And here's the best part. You don't need to film a single video yet. By the end of this guide, you'll be ready to launch, smarter, safer, and fully prepared. So here's my biggest piece of advice. Stop overthinking it. Stop putting it off. Let's start. Right now. Step 1. Create your Google account. First things first, head over to youtube.com. In the top right corner, click Sign In. Since YouTube runs on Google, you'll need a Google account to get started. Now, quick decision time. Are you creating this channel for personal fun or something more serious? We're going to treat this like a business, and here's why. Separating your YouTube identity from your personal life gives you better branding, security, and long-term flexibility. So let's create a brand new Gmail address. Something clean, professional, and tied only to your channel. Fill out the form. Set a strong password. Way stronger than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And verify your phone number when prompted. I know, adding your number feels like a hassle. But trust me, it's essential. It locks down your account and unlocks powerful features later, including monetization. Once you're in, congratulations, you've got a Google account, which means you're officially one step away from having a YouTube channel. Step 2. Set up your YouTube channel. Now that you're signed in, click your profile icon and go to YouTube Studio. From there, you'll see the option to create a new channel. Let's do it. Now comes the fun part. Your channel name and handle. Quick clarification. Channel name. This shows under your videos and on your homepage. Handle, like @beskilled. This is your unique social ID, used in URLs and comments. Only one person can have each handle. Both can be changed later, so don't stress too much. But aim for something simple, memorable, and easy to spell. Avoid generic names unless yours is truly unique. Because remember, anyone can call themselves Gaming Master, but only one can be @Gaming Master. Next, upload a profile picture. It'll appear in a circle, so keep your design centered and clear, whether it's professional, playful, or boldly creative. Then, pick a channel banner. This is prime real estate. On mobile, parts of the edges get cut off, so keep key text and logos in the center. Your banner should answer one question instantly. Am I in the right place? Use visuals, colors, and a short slogan that speaks directly to your ideal viewer. Pro tip: match your banner style with how your thumbnails will look. Consistency equals stronger brand. Step 3. Verify your channel. Don't skip this. Back in YouTube Studio, go to Settings, Channel. Feature eligibility. Here's what you need to do. Verify your channel. Why? Because without verification, you can't. Upload videos longer than 15 minutes, not 50, that changed in 2024. Use custom thumbnails. Access advanced analytics or monetization. Later, verification is free. All you need is that same phone number again. Do it now. It takes 2 minutes and opens doors you'll want later. Step 4. Smart Default Settings. Still in Settings, head to Upload Defaults greater than Visibility. Important: never set new uploads to public by default. Always choose Private or Unlisted. That way, every video goes into draft mode, giving you time to write a great title, description, and thumbnail before going live. While you're here, check the Advanced tab. Turn on strict comment moderation if you're worried about trolls. And if your content is for kids, Declare it here under Audience Settings. Big warning, mislabeling kids' content can lead to penalties, even channel termination. YouTube takes this seriously after past fines. Set your default now so you don't forget later. Also, explore permissions. This lets you safely invite team members or editors without giving them access to your personal Google account. Think ahead. If your channel grows, you'll want help. Start secure from day one. Step 5. Branding and contact info. Head back to customization. Basic info. Time to write your channel description. On desktop and mobile, viewers only see the first few lines, so make them count. Instead of saying, "Hi, I'm John," focus on what's in it for the viewer. Example: Welcome! I help beginners build real skills in tech, design, and content creation, with zero fluff and full transparency. Then add relevant keywords so YouTube understands your niche. Now, critical security tip. At the bottom, you'll see Contact Info. This email appears publicly on your channel. Never use your login email here. Doing so exposes half your account security. Create a separate business email, like contact@yourchannel.com, or use a forwarding address. Privacy isn't optional, it's protection. Bonus features you should know. Watermark, subscribe. Button. That little bell in the corner? Still there. Not super effective anymore, but harmless. We'll link a free one in the description. Audio library. Go to copyright greater than audio library for free music and sound effects. Safe to use, no claims. Monetization. Earn. Yes, you can track your progress toward joining the YouTube Partner Program. And yes, two-factor authentication is required to monetize. Enable it now under Security Settings. Quick update for 2025. There's a lower-tier monetization path now, fewer subs, less watch time, but heads up, it doesn't unlock ad revenue, just fan funding and badges. Real ad money still requires 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 valid public watch hours, or 10 million shorts views in 90 days. We will cover this in depth in another video. Final tips before you hit record. Before you upload your first video, ask yourself, who is this for? Why should they care? Answer those, and you've nailed your target audience and value proposition. Forget stuffing keywords everywhere. People don't click because a video exists. They click because they feel something. Emotion, curiosity, urgency. Those beat SEO any day. And speaking of clicks, never underestimate titles and thumbnails. They're the packaging, the billboard, the first impression. Spend time on them, test ideas, even design them before filming. But most importantly, just start creating. Don't wait until everything's perfect. You won't love your first videos, and that's okay. In 6 months, you'll look back and cringe. That's not failure. That's growth. Because nothing teaches you faster than doing. Look, YouTube isn't just about views or virality. It's about sharing what matters to you, with people who need to hear it. You don't need permission. You don't need expensive gear. You just need to begin. So, go ahead. Click that upload button. Tell your story. Build your audience. Welcome to YouTube. Now, go change the world. Got questions? Drop them below. Links to tools, templates, and resources are in the description. Smash that like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out, and keep being skilled.